Garbage collection is great, except when it isn't. Everything must stop when the system needs to collect garbage. This can cause glitches which are particularly noticeable in VR or with mobile apps. The worst is lots of little bits of memory, as this takes longer to collect. C#.NET relies on garbage collection, and this cannot be avoided. Don't try and cache everything, just the heavy rollers. And the downside of caching? You have to remember to release the data. This video is about cache agnostic usage, where the classes do not know that they are being cached. In another video, I will discuss how to add creation, deactivation, and reactivation to a cache agnostic class. So, using an example, the first limitation is that cache agnostic files must have a default constructor. The second limitation about caching is it must be disposed of after use. The using statement will call dispose on the cached item once it is done. You can, of course, do this manually if you are keeping the cached data beyond a single method. At this point, my class is in the recycle bin.